Did you know that there are 4 questions that open your subconscious to wealth? And that from there, you start to manifest abundance and prosperity in your life? This is not a video that you should watch anyway. What I'm going to give you here is a real lesson. So you should pay attention, because this lesson has the power to transform your life. So, let's go. First question. If someone woke you up at 4 a.m. and asked the following question, how do you make money? What would be your answer? This is the first question. How do you make money? Let me guess. If you're like the vast majority of people, you are like 98% of our population, your answer was this: working. Was that your answer? Is that how you believe you make money? So don't worry, you're within the average. Now, I'm going to ask you the next question. Pay close attention, because this question will have an instant impact on your life. If working is the way to make money, if that's what you know about making money, if you were not allowed to work from tomorrow, how long would you be able to survive with the money you have today? And the second question I ask you in this requirement is, if you were not allowed to work from tomorrow, how much money would fall into your account at the end of the month? It is very important that you reflect on these 2 questions. And that brings us to the next question, which is the following. Who did you learn to make money from? I want to tell you that in the Bible it is written like this: my people suffer from a lack of knowledge. And I dare say that nowadays, in the age of information, ignorance is a choice. Whenever you think about money, whenever you think about your financial life, you should think about an R. R for result. All the money you have in your life is a result. When you are a child, from 0 to 6 years old, your mind is completely open. There is nothing in your mind. The child is born without even knowing what water is. So through the 5 senses, this child observes its environment, and it absorbs information from its environment. So she saw her father kiss her every day and say, "Dad's going to work. Dad needs to work to make money." Oh, automatically, she found out how to make money. Working. Why? Because she saw her father go to work every day. Have you ever dared to question why we have to work? Who created the job? Have you ever realized that working for someone is not a natural thing for humans? Have you ever questioned? Until the age of 6, the child's mind is completely open, and everything that comes to her mind is accepted. Everything that is accepted is fixed. Everything that is fixed becomes a truth. And everything that becomes a truth becomes from the age of 6 to 7, the standard from which you will make your decisions. Now, pay attention that this is very important. We have the ability to think. We always think according to what we believe. We try to find the answers and the ways in the world according to what we believe. So your financial result today, it is the result of what you believe. Why? Because your father unintentionally or willingly, your mother, your uncles at school said that it was by working that you earn money. So you accept it. You are sitting at home thinking, "Man, I need money. I need money. I need to work. I need to work." And then you learned what it is to work for someone, looking for a job. So you get involved in actions. Your actions, according to what you believe, generate your financial result. So the financial result is equal to everything that is fixed in your subconscious. If you do not change what is in your subconscious, you will never be able to change your results. So the focus of your life must be change your truths. Because if you do not change what you believe, you will never change your results. Now I'm going to reveal a strategy to you so that you can achieve your goals. A simple and applicable strategy. The strategy is as follows. You will take and assemble a mural of images of extraordinary goals. How so? You will put what car you want. A dream car. The house of dreams. The journey of dreams. The most desired and daring heritage you can imagine. And you will collect images. And you will put it on a banner or on a postcard. Good quality image. And what is the second step? You daily, 5 to 7 minutes, every night before going to bed, will visualize. Look. Close your eyes and visualize it as if you had already achieved it. You driving the car. You in the house of dreams. You in the journey of dreams. You yourself, with that gigantic millionaire heritage. But you may be asking yourself, but why should I do this? There are several reasons for you to do this. I could talk about quantum physics, positive psychology. I could also say that when I have a clear goal in my unconscious, I change my behavior, my attitudes and my choices to make congruence and seek the fulfillment of this. But there is another goal also discovered at the end of 2015 by neuroscientists. They said that there is a neurohormone responsible for persistence, willpower, and determination. Is endorphin. And what is endorphin? When you visualize yourself reaching your goals, your body has a flood of endorphin and dopamine. And the combination of these two neurohormones makes you persist in the search for your goals, changing behaviors, changing attitudes, making you have new choices. So, in short, a quick way, conscious of change of beliefs, change of attitude and direction of knowledge, is you visualize your financial goals as being achieved. The human brain does not distinguish what is real from what is imagined. When you close your eyes and imagine yourself driving your dream car, you imagine yourself with your family in the house of dreams, on trips, with that gigantic heritage. When you imagine this repeatedly and emotionally, the brain believes that it is true. And when it believes in a hormonal and neurohormonal release, and this hormonal release brings so much pleasure to the body, endorphin combined with dopamine, that your body will force you to be persistent and determined in the search for your goals. Because it will want to feel that same pleasure again. Establish your goals. Visualize them emotionally and repeatedly every night, as if you had already reached them, and let your body do the rest, changing behaviors and attitudes and making you persistent in the search for your goals. It's tremendous, isn't it? Simple and tremendous. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel,